Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shahzad. Today we are going to make a multicolor cooling strip greeting card. As you can see, for that we need 10 mm round die, cooling tool, gum, glue and some multicolor strips. So let's get started friends without any delay. First of all, we will make the one petal of the flower. For that we need two strips of 297 mm, 297 mm purple color. So for that you have need the comb and put the in. You can see it's quite easy and quick way. For each for the main flower we need 5 petals, mean we need 10 purple strips that we can turn attach and make the petal one by one. And also we need one orange strip that will cover around the flower. We make that one. Also we need one strip of 100, other 75 and the last one 50 mm. We have to make that one two branches, two branches of the flower. You have to use the cooling tool and bend it like this, little bend round, one or two bend from the top of the each strip, that make it beautiful. Same like that friends. Okay, this one we make, and now we need to make the petal. For that we need one die of 10 mm round. You have to keep extend, put the glue and both corners just press and bend the petal leaf shape. For that small flower we need two strips, orange and green. Use the cooling tool together. The scissor, cut it, put glue and make it tight roll with two colors, and at the end we need to make flower petals. One corner you have to bend, right, two bends here also, this one. Now come back to the main petal again, remove from the comb, press in the middle and put it in a petal shape. Use the orange strip and press. Take it round, like 3 or 4 rounds to each strip. You can bend it. Now we will make all the things for cooling strip greeting card. So let's get started friends to putting on the paper, and I will tell you quantity what we need, how many things. So friends, we got our stuff. We need 5 main petals of flower, 7 small green flowers petal and 1 tight roll, 7 we need leaves and 3 branches of the flower and 1 A4 size paper card that we have to bend and make the card. So let's get started friends to put all the things on the cover. So finally friends, we complete our greeting card cover with the multicolor cooling strip, making the flower and